Hello guys, so today we will be doing, I just like wing up my pocket knife, that's fine, it's fine, don't worry about it. So as I was saying guys, welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I don't know if this will be a bonus video or just a side video or maybe just, I don't know, some kind of video. But today I will be doing a little unboxing of some really cool gifts I've gotten over Christmas, and I thought it would just be kind of fun, something a little different to do to kind of change it up. So let me know how you guys like this, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first box I have is from a girl I did an art trade with. I will insert a video or a picture right now of the art trade we did. So this is her creature that she has sent to me. She is from Dutchland, so Germany, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I haven't seen anything about what it looks like. I can't wait. I don't know if I'm opening this right, but oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back to going through and opening the box. So I always love when I do a lot of art trades with people from all over the world, and I love when different things like this get sent. These are different ads from local places there. That is so fun. I love seeing the fashion too, like that's another really fun thing. Hey look at this is in English. Back to school, heyo. That's I'm not, oh okay, this is the cutoff. Let's see here. Oh, I think I know who it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes! Oh, there's a little damage, but I can fix it. No worries there. This is my character Mist. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I'll get some super glue really quick and fix that, because that is so cool. Oh my gosh. This, oh my word, this is so incredibly cool. I have never gotten a little creature. Oh, the mouth opens. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That is incredible. Oh my word. Okay, hold on guys, I'm gonna get some super glue, fix that horn really quick, and then I'll do a full view of this little guy. Look at how incredible he is. Oh my gosh. So my character Mist, it's one of the creatures I started for Deviant, and he is a dragon, snow leopard, I think like ox mix or wolf mix. He was some you know, really complicated creation. But oh my gosh, look at how incredible she has created this doll. Oh my word. I love the different markings that she has done on him. And look at this, guys. Check this out. She has done a little movable jaw on him. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I love doing trades every year on DeviantArt with different... So there is a Secret Santa trade that goes on DeviantArt for poseable creatures, and it's something I've been doing I think for 3 or 4 years now, and I love it so much. It is so incredibly fun to be a part of. One of the other things that I just want to add is, so that you guys know, I will be putting a link to this incredible work and this incredible job that this girl has done for me. Her name, I believe it's called, she is under on DeviantArt, Creatures of Akasha. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but I will have a link below in the description so you can go follow and check out all of her incredible work. I mean, this is just fantastic. He looks so cool. He will be going up on my shelf, up above, and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna be putting him up there. Oh, I want to just cuddle him. He's so cute. I have to go let her know. We didn't show each other our creatures beforehand, so that it'd be a surprise. So he's going up there with my other two traded creatures that I've got over the summer and last Christmas, which is a Nook, which is 2 different versions of my character Nook. So Mist will be going up there with them. I cannot believe how incredible this creature is. She did just an absolutely amazing job, guys. Please make sure to go follow her on all of her social media, check out her work, tell her how incredible what she does is, because oh my gosh, if you can tell, I'm just tumbling over words. This is so cool, guys. Please make sure to go check out her work and tell her how incredible she is. Okay, guys, so with that said, on to the next box. I just want to add in this last little plug for her. This is her page with all of her incredible creatures. Be sure to check her out. I mean, all of her work is so cool. I feel so incredibly blessed to be able to have traded with her. This is such a cool creature of Mist that she has sent me. I feel honored to have one of her creatures, and he will be going right up on my bookshelf. Okay, now on to the next box. So Mist decided he wanted to just lay down on my desk, and who am I to say no? So Mist is staying right here. With that said, let's get on to this next box. I've removed all of the identification on this one too, just to make sure we don't have any problems like that. I'm going to try, and it's quite a big box. I'm going to have to move Mist a little bit. Sorry, boy, you're going to have to go back over here for a moment. He's going to be down there. Okay, so let's see here. I'm sorry, guys, this is a very close shot, but let's open this up and see what's inside. So this box, I know this is kind of a strange weekly art inspiration, but with this, I do a taxidermy Secret Santa every year. Please, no one at me for this. I enjoy it because I actually send a lot more gifts that aren't taxidermy related, but I love learning from it as an artist. It's really good to get skulls and different things that you can study. But this is a box from one of the taxidermy Secret Santa friends of mine, and I'm really excited. I've actually been sent stuff before from the same person, so I'm so excited. If I could get open this box though. Anyways, I thought this would be kind of I don't know. I feel like with Christmas, everyone wants to open presents. I think that's always so true. And there is a really cool, the thing about it is too, it's great to open presents, but to have the spirit of giving. I love doing art trades because I feel like each person puts a lot out. And doing Secret Santa is so cool. I try and send out a lot during Secret Santa for the taxidermy Secret Santa. I'll be having another artwork that's coming up, hopefully that's for a Disney Secret Santa. I really enjoy doing that kind of stuff, and I find it really fun to send things to each other and to send different things that really mean a lot to people. Okay, so this is, let's see here. Oh my gosh, I think there's a few packages in here. So here's the first one, here's the second one. I don't know if there's any more, so let me just really quickly, I think there's only 2. Yeah, from what it looks like, there's 2. Oh my gosh, okay. So let me move the box out of the way. I think I know what that one is. Oh my gosh, that makes me so excited. Okay, so the first one that's here, let's see here. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh, it's a little starfish. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this right over here. I think I know what this is, and it makes me so excited. Oh, okay, before I open it, I'm just gonna take a guess. I think it's a skull. And I know that might seem really strange to some people. I love skulls though. I think they're such a beautiful thing to see because there's an intricacy to them that's beautiful, of the fact of how life is, that you can see that inside of each creature, each person, there's so much thought, so much care to each bone and every bit of our bodies. It's incredible. As an artist, as a person, I just find it really incredible. So with that said, let's open this up. I'm pretty sure it's a skull. I'm putting my money on it right now. Oh my gosh, you packed it so well. Let's see here. Oh. It is! Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Holy, it's a red fox. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So for anyone out there, I do understand that I'm not a hunter, first of all. I don't hunt, but I find it incredible, at least this is my point of view. I believe, like the Native Americans do, that we should appreciate what is out there. And even if it has, you know, these things have been killed, people hunt, people do these things, and I like to appreciate what is out there and appreciate the intricacy. I mean, look at this beautiful skull. This is incredible. I mean, if you ever want to study something and really see the beautiful interworkings of just amazing things, go out and see bones and skeletons and different things like that. I love the Natural History Museum for that, is because you get to see all of this, and I've loved and feel so grateful to have different things like this. I want to say thank you to the, let's see here, let me find his name really quick. I know who he is. I think he sends me something every year. Joshua. Thank you so much, Joshua. I know that you sent me some really cool stuff before, but this is incredible. I will be putting this up on my shelf, and I will be doing some art of it. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me do some watercolor, or a different kind of ink art or coffee art with this as kind of my muse for it. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. This was kind of a fun Christmas week. I just wanted to do something a little different for Weekly Art Inspirations. It's a little bit longer video, but it's something just really, really fun to show, you know, a little bit of the joy of receiving, but also the joy of giving. I feel so grateful that I get to do this kind of stuff, to share with you art. I feel grateful that I have other people who I get to send really fun presents to, and people who send me back such incredible works. I don't know, it's just incredible. I hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. I hope you just have everything come true for you. And with that said, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, a wonderful week, a Merry, Merry Christmas tomorrow. And just remember, you have all the power in the world to do incredible things, and I really believe that. So with that said, guys, stay incredible. Now, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I'd super appreciate it. If not, you know, that's fine. I understand that too. With that said, if you'd like to like below, that would be incredible. If you wouldn't mind hitting that bell icon, it would help you know when the new Weekly Art Inspirations come out. I'm really excited about the upcoming year. I plan on doing a lot of really fun things. And over here, I have some videos you can check out. So guys, have a wonderful holiday season, and remember, stay inspired.